Meaning of guest house.
Guest house.
Guest house.
Guest house.
Guest house. A guest house is a type of accommodation that typically provides private bedrooms and shared common areas for guests. It is usually smaller than a hotel and may be located within a residential area or on a larger property. Guest houses can offer a more personal and homey atmosphere compared to hotels. They are often operated by families or individuals and may specialize in certain types of guests such as backpackers or business travelers. Amenities and services vary depending on the establishment, but may include meals, laundry facilities, and tour assistance.